The Google Pixel A series has always held a special place in the smartphone world. It's known for offering a distilled Pixel experience at a more accessible price point. With each iteration, we've seen Google refine its formula, bringing flagship-level features to the mid-range market. The Pixel 9a, expected to launch later this year, is already generating significant buzz. It's rumored to pack some impressive upgrades, potentially making it the most compelling A-series phone yet. Let's dive into what we know so far and why the Pixel 9a could be a game-changer. The Pixel line has always been about delivering a clean and intuitive Android experience. Unlike many other manufacturers who layer heavy skins and bloatware on top of Android, Google keeps things streamlined. This results in a snappy and responsive user experience that's become synonymous with the Pixel brand. The A series, while more affordable, doesn't compromise on this core principle. The Pixel 9a is expected to carry this torch forward, offering a user experience that rivals flagship phones at a fraction of the cost. Google has consistently raised the bar for smartphone photography with its Pixel line. The Pixel's camera prowess isn't just about hardware, it's about the powerful software processing and computational photography that happens behind the scenes. This allows Pixel phones to capture stunning photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. The Pixel 9a is rumored to inherit some of these camera advancements, making it a serious contender for the best camera phone in its price range. The Pixel 9a is expected to retain the design language of its predecessor, the Pixel 8a, with some subtle yet noticeable refinements. Leaked renders suggest slimmer bezels surrounding the display, maximizing screen real estate without significantly increasing the overall footprint of the device. The iconic two-tone finish, a Pixel A series staple, is rumored to return, albeit with fresh and exciting color options. One of the standout design elements of recent Pixel phones is the camera bar. This distinctive horizontal strip houses the camera sensors and flash, giving the Pixel a unique look. The Pixel 9a is expected to feature a similar camera bar, albeit with potential refinements to the sensor layout. This consistent design language across the Pixel lineup creates a sense of brand identity and instantly distinguishes Pixel phones from the competition. Google understands that a comfortable grip is essential for a phone that's used throughout the day. The Pixel 9a is rumored to feature a slightly curved back and rounded edges, making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. This ergonomic design is crucial for a phone that's meant to be used on the go, whether you're browsing the web, catching up on social media, or capturing spontaneous moments. At the heart of the Pixel 9a is expected to be Google's Tensor G4 processor. This chip, specifically designed for Pixel phones, is optimized for Google's AI and machine learning algorithms. This translates to a smoother overall user experience, faster app loading times, and improved battery efficiency. While the Tensor G4 might not reach the peak performance levels of flagship processors, it's tailored to deliver a balanced and efficient experience on the Pixel 9a. Complementing the Tensor G4 processor will be ample RAM, likely 6 GB or 8 GB depending on the storage configuration. This amount of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, allowing users to seamlessly switch between apps without experiencing lag or slowdowns. The Pixel 9a is also expected to come with various storage options, ranging from 128 GB to 256 GB, providing users with ample space for their apps, photos, videos, and other files. One of the key advantages of Google's Tensor processors is their on-device AI capabilities. This allows the Pixel 9a to perform tasks like live transcription, real-time translation, and voice recognition locally without relying on the cloud. This not only enhances privacy, but also improves performance and efficiency, as data doesn't need to be sent to remote servers for processing. Section 4. Capturing moments, Pixel's camera. Prowess continues. While the Pixel 9a might not boast the same camera hardware as its flagship counterparts, it's expected to inherit some of the Pixel's renowned camera capabilities. Rumors suggest a primary camera sensor with improved low-light performance and a wider aperture, allowing it to capture more light in challenging conditions. The inclusion of Google's Super Res Zoom technology will enable users to zoom in on subjects without sacrificing image quality. The Pixel's camera prowess extends beyond hardware. Google's computational photography algorithms play a significant role in producing stunning images. Features like Night Sight, Portrait Mode, and Magic Eraser are expected to be available on the Pixel 9a, allowing users to capture professional-looking photos with ease. These AI-powered features eliminate the need for complex camera settings, making photography accessible to everyone. Video recording is also expected to receive a significant boost on the Pixel 9a. Rumors suggest support for 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, allowing users to capture smooth and detailed footage. Google's video stabilization technology will ensure steady footage even when recording handheld. The Pixel 9a is poised to be a capable video recording device, perfect for capturing life's precious moments. Section 5 Software Harmony Android 15 and beyond. The Pixel 9a is expected to launch with the latest version of Android 15. As a Pixel device, the 9a will receive software updates directly from Google, ensuring users have access to the latest features and security patches as soon as they're available. This commitment to timely updates is a major advantage of owning a Pixel device. Google's clean and bloatware-free version of Android further enhances the user experience. One of the major benefits of owning a Pixel phone is access to Pixel-exclusive software features. These features, often powered by Google's AI and machine learning algorithms, add a layer of convenience and intelligence to the user experience. Features like Call Screen, which uses Google Assistant to screen calls and filter out spam, and Live Caption, which provides real-time captions for any audio playing on the device, are just a few examples of Pixel-exclusive features that enhance productivity and accessibility. Google's commitment to software updates extends beyond major Android releases. Pixel devices typically receive regular feature drops, which introduce new features and improvements throughout the year. These feature drops ensure that Pixel phones continue to evolve and improve over time, providing users with a sense of excitement and anticipation for what's to come.